Kính chào quý anh chị và các bạn. Chúng tôi xin giới thiệu quy trình lắp đặt và hướng dẫn sử dụng máy cân bằng lốp CORGHI EM9580 được thực hiện bởi Bộ phận Kỹ thuật Công nghệ thuộc Công ty Cổ phần Công nghệ Thiết bị Tân Phát. Phần 1. Hướng dẫn lắp đặt máy cân bằng lốp CORGHI EM9580.
Xin chào các bạn, thì hôm nay quay trở lại chương trình thì tôi xin giới thiệu các bạn về cái cách lắp đặt máy cân bằng động bánh xe EM9580 của CORGHI. Ở đây sau khi mà khui thùng thì chúng ta sẽ di chuyển thiết bị sang cái vị trí gần lắp đặt, chúng ta hạ xuống pallet. Ở đây là những cái phụ kiện để lắp đặt thiết bị. Đầu tiên thì chúng ta sẽ lắp đặt cái giá đỡ màn hình máy tính. Ở đây có 3 con ốc ở phía bên trái, phải ở phía bên trái thì để cố định cái giá đỡ này lên trên thân máy. Chúng ta sẽ sử dụng ốc ở đây là ốc lục giác. Đây, đấy. Luồn dây nguồn, đưa dây nguồn và dây cáp VGA qua cái vị trí gá lắp màn hình. Lắp lại cái ốp sau. Tiếp theo chúng ta sẽ lắp cái cảm biến về rộng lốp. Chúng ta sẽ đưa cái dây luồn cái dây cảm biến về rộng lốp này về phía đằng cái cuối của cái cần mở lồng. Chúng ta lắp cái cần mở lồng vào vị trí trên máy. Cắm dây cảm biến về rộng lốp. Tiếp theo chúng ta sẽ bắt cái lồng trục bảo vệ. Ta sẽ lắp cái trục của máy. Cuối cùng chúng ta sẽ lắp màn hình máy tính. Cắm dây nguồn và dây VGA.
Phần 2. Hướng dẫn sử dụng máy cân bằng lốp CORGHI EM9580.
Go mount the wheel now and see how this works. Okay, we're getting ready to mount our wheel to the wheel balancer. The first step is to determine what cone is the perfect one for our wheel. We always prefer to back on our wheels. That means the cone should go on the inner side of our wheel. As you can see, this cone is the perfect size for it. We should grab it right in the middle. Okay, so after we determine the right cone size for this wheel, just gonna slide it into the balancer shaft. We grab our wheel. This one as well goes into the shaft. This operation should be smooth. You shouldn't drop the wheel on a machine that is calibrated. Our wing nut, quick wing nut, lock the wheel, we're ready to go. Our wheel is locked in now, please. What I love about this machine is the simplicity and how fast it is. Let's say we want to use a clip-on weight, so dynamic program with the two weights on the two extremities of the wheel. All I need to do is to grab our measuring arm, our gauge, and place it at the edge of the wheel. Once we detected the size of the wheel, default, the machine comes up with passenger tires. So at this point, all you need to do is to lower the hood. If you have a light track tire, just select the second option and lower the hood again. During the spin, we also have the sonar system, as you can see here on this side of the hood. This will help to pick up the weight of the wheel for maximum precision in the measurements. Okay, now we are going to see how to measure a wheel to use the aluminum program. So for tape-on weight, all I need to do with my measuring gauge is where I'm going to apply the tape-on weight. After that, I'm going to take a second inside of the wheel. This part of measurement is not done. Lower the hood. As you can see, after the check speed, our machine stopped with the target at 6 o'clock. We are in aluminum program. In this case, we selected the 6 o'clock program. Different from before in dynamic when we had the target. The wheel stops exactly where the weight is. In this case, the terminal right in the middle of the laser line. And then we will proceed with the second one, either by moving the wheel manually or pressing the start button. Automatically, he will go and place itself in the perfect spot for the external weight. In the main page, you see the program I selected, the intended weight. That is when we want to either weight on which focus. First of all, you will need to select the external balance like in this case. After that, we select that icon. You can see we have a dedicated program. At this point, I will have to select the two spokes where I'm going to hide the weight behind. So I will manually move the position. Select the first spoke. After that, I will move to the next. As you can see, now my weight, my external weight is staying. To the target. One of the features I like to also so last time we selected the tape-on program, that's what it's on now. But with the use of this icon, I can basically browse through all the different programs. What is great is that anytime the machine calculates the weight based on the different position on the wheel without having to perform another step. Starting with dynamic or the aluminum program, even motorcycle. Now we're going to see how to go through all the different programs and icons on our balance. To select these, all we need to do, rotate this knob for the selection of the icon, press it to confirm. Then we have an escape button for when we need to exit the program. We have a stop button and the start button. Okay, so this is our main page, and you can see we have different icons. These three icons will be standard, so they will be always present in this page. These other two are customizable. That means you can go inside the menu and actually select these two programs and choose the one you use the most. Going inside the main menu, which is the second icon, you can see it opens up a lot of other programs. We have from the operator user, so here we can set it in the shop with different operators using the same machine. They can name themselves 1, 2, 3 and use the machine with their dedicated program. We have an optimization program. Remember that for every icon we select, we have description right here. So remember. Optimization is the program that allows me to basically match mouse, spin the tire inside the wheel, and find the least possible amount of weight in order to find it. We have fine reading, so here we can quickly see the unbalance, very fine reading, gram by gram, or penny of the mouse at the time. Display level, this just takes me back to the main page or screensaver. We have a counter. With this program we can see how many wheels have been spent daily, weekly, or on total life of the machine. We have a weight management program. This program helps us save weight without compromising the balance of the wheel. Now we move on the right side of the screen. This program lets me manually input the size of the wheel. It's not even needed normally because the machine gauge does that for me. If we have a C version of the 9580, means that has the electronic locking of the wheel, this icon lets me open and close that electronic system. This again is available only on the C version of the EM9580. We have a help button. In this page actually the machine will show me how to use some of the program. It's basically a light user manual that can help us during the operation. And finally, on this main page, we have the configuration program. So by entering this, we actually enter the settings of the machine. We have programs like the RPA. We can enable or disable it. This is the research of the position automatically. It means the machine automatically will bring the weight 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock, depending on the program. So I don't see anything why it's from this side. We have the rounding program. This, again, if we need to do a fine reading, we can change and go on the smaller weight. This way, instead of 5 grams, it will go 1 by 1. And if we use ounces, they will go from quarter to quarter of an ounce to 1/10 at a time. So just to have a very quick fine reading on that. Next item, grams or ounces. We know we sell these machines to different markets, so we can be using grams or in ounces. The optimization can be turned on or off, because when an optimization is needed on the main screen, you like to see success. So, this is the program I was talking about before. By selecting this, you can actually take two icons to be placed in the main page, so the working page. So let's say I switch from gram to ounces all the time. All I need to do is to enter this program, select gram and ounces, that will be the first program. And then let's say I want the second one to be the position of my wheel, because the one I use the most. That's set right there. Go back to the menu, we have language, again, different countries. We have set company data. By entering this icon, you can actually align on the desktop on the screensaver of the machine, the name of the company, the name of the document. We have a laser that can be enabled or disabled. This is the laser you're seeing in the aluminum program. Same goes for the LED. This machine has a very light inside the balancing shaft that helps us see especially balance reading. It can be changed to 1, 2 brighter or completely on. This is a program that I really like, because normally the balancer are before the weight for one block, but now we have the choice to put the weight in the clip, gauge, or with the laser. Yeah, fuel and program. And at the last, here you have calibration, so the actual imbalance calibration of the whole machine. We have the sensor calibration. This is the sonar on the side of the hood. This calibration normally is done only on the first calibration of the machine. This is auto setting for monitor, because we can put a bigger monitor on this balancer. We can do an auto setting of it. And here are the service program that normally are needed only by the CORGHI service tank. Also on the bottom right of the display, you can see the few other icons. Here is basically showing me what we are working with. So it's operator 1, the laser is on, this is the program where we select the position of the weight, which is what we call in this case. We have rounding, so fine reading in this case. We have the program mode, how we want this. We have tape on weight. We have the clip-on weight, which is so dynamic. And at the end the car normally car mode, rather than the motorcycle.
Như vậy, chúng ta đã kết thúc hướng dẫn lắp đặt và hướng dẫn sử dụng Máy Cân bằng lốp CORGHI EM9580. Xin trân trọng cảm ơn quý anh chị và các bạn đã lắng nghe và theo dõi.